me to look up on the state of hypocrisy.